footsteps of Saint Helena and her consort, Emperor Constantino. Saint Helena and consort Constantino, whose relentless devotion to the Holy Cross opened the path of salvation history. Nasa yung mga anak ko yung gliding across the center ground is our second dogma anchor, Reina de las Flores Theotokos. She holds the image of Christ's child. She proclaims Mary's divine motherhood, reminding us that our open hearts can also bring Christ into this world.